Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Akshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidara? Finally I'm back on YouTube after so much time. I had a personal thing going on, so I could not come. So nothing negative, don't worry. So everything is going well. So it's could not spend more time. I was off from my work. I'm back to work, and I'm also back to my second job, which is YouTube. Not job, passion. So with that, let's keep rolling. Oops. I hope the audio is coming well and I need not worry about anything. So I got the Shima gloves. This is Karthik's gloves. Actually feels actually pretty light than my Alpine Star one. It's so good to be back on the 6R, man. The only problem is, right, when you have traffic, people just move left, right randomly, including me. I'm not saying I won't do it. And I'm actually riding 6R after a month now. Of course I did get it from Karthik house, so I had it to take it for my personal event. So the Z900 in front. In excitement of riding fast, hope I have not forgotten to control the motorcycle. This motorcycle is more than enough for Indian roads to have fun. I can bet you that, alright. I think I need to change the front end. Front end means front tire. Gym ki nahi do hello. So yes, let me explain you the dash of the 6R. It's pretty